Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. As you've seen the thumbnail and title, today is going to be a giveaway. I'm going to select the giveaway winner using this comment picker website. We want to paste the particular video's link in the box, and then we could generate a giveaway winner from the comment section. So that's it. The number of comments is 6, and we could generate the winner now. It's generating, and yeah, the winner is Karunya. Let's start, guys. She is Karunya Devi and she has more perspectives. She is an advocate and philanthropist and social worker and business administration manager. Friends, I had notified you all in my Instagram post and stories, but I didn't receive a lot of comments. So for next giveaway, please comment in every video so you could be an winner in my giveaways. As I said in my first giveaway, till 2k I'm going to give a giveaway for every 100 subscriber change. After that, I'm going to give a giveaway for every month. I want to say one thing, thanks a lot for you guys, because you are the guys who have supported me and appreciated me in my every videos. I want to say one thing, friends. Thanks a lot for supporting me, because you are the guys who had supported me and appreciated me in my every videos, which had motivated me much. Leave a comment if you want me to draw anything in my upcoming videos, or if you have any suggestions in my videos. Then that's it, guys. Again, I want to say one thing, that thanks a lot for supporting me. Please stay tuned, because the next giveaway is going to be coming soon, because we are half in the way to next giveaway. Stay tuned. I have left her biography below in the description section. If you want to know who is she, please visit that. If you are a person who had commented and not won, don't worry, because we are having a lots of giveaway in my upcoming days. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and join with my lovely YouTube family, because here I am having a lovely supportive YouTube family, for which I am being gifted by God to have such a nice family, and then it growing gradually day by day, and I want you to be one of my YouTube family members. Then hereafter I am going to notify you all in my Instagram story about the giveaways, so stay tuned and join with me in Instagram, so you will never miss out a giveaway. Thanks for watching.